Hey guys, this is Dharmam and welcome to Dharmam's unboxing video. Today I have something very interesting. I finally got my most expensive pair of over-the-head headphones. I got myself a JBL Everest-710. This is dark gray, as you can see. I've been waiting for these one. These are Google Assistant compatible. These are one of the most finest headphones which are out there. um, it has a stream 2.0 support, so it can connect one more pair of headphones, so you can actually share your music from a single device on two wireless headphones. And yeah, looks pretty decent, and I'm very excited for this. Let's see how it goes. um, the features are, it has eco cancelling microphone, so it comes with a built-in microphone as well, so you can use it to take your calls. So yeah, let's just get started with this. Alrighty. As any JBL product, I'm very happy to see that it's packed very nicely. So I think I have to open it from here. Okay. So, oh, there's one more. Alright, I think we are ready. It comes with a 25 hours of battery life, and they claim that it can be fully charged within 2 hours. So 5 minutes are like 2 hours of music. Here, this is the same thing. It can use your OK Google products. Beautiful classy black uh, case. Opens up, I think, like this. Yes. Oh, look at that. Look at that beautiful JBL. Wow. That's a fancy packing right there. It's a good pouch. It's not really heavy, but it's definitely not light. Let me see if I can quickly see the weight of this thing. If it's written somewhere. Doesn't say here. Yeah, it doesn't say here. Let's see. So let's just open it. This one comes with a clip hanger. This can be detached, so you can hook it up with your backpack or something. A beautiful foldable design. Look at that. Look at that beautiful headphones I've been waiting for. Wow. Oh my god. I'm so excited right now. I think this one is a 360-degree thing. So if I rotate it like this and open this guy like this, that's it. That's how it opens up. And I think, okay, and then you fit it right here like this. There it is. And I have an assumption that you can pull it, yeah, on the top. And they have a power button right here, which is a slider button, volume plus, stop and play, and also call connect, and -1. So let me just start this guy. Oh, beautiful. Definitely very comfortable, definitely very lightweight. Let me see how I can get it connected. I'm going to connect it with my headphones right now. Connect, connected, and let's see if I can listen to some music. Oh wow, as always, beautiful. So I think the listed price for this is around like $150. Man, this is a great headphones, but I got it on a deal of deals. So guys, please check out JBL website. They have deal of the days, and I got this one in like just $70, and it's amazing. I feel great, and yeah, I'll put the specifications in the description, guys. Yeah, just get yourself the best pair of headphones out there. Thank you. Bye bye.